Good day, guys. We back with another hot indicators for PC, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Guys, one thing that you have to make sure about is that all strategies work. The important thing is what time are you using those strategies and when are you using those strategies. You just have a you must have a good time to use those strategies, and you must have good skills and risk management to use those strategies. So guys, we're back with another PC indicators that you can choose one that you are interested in, then you inbox me. It's only 100 rand, guys. This indicator is 100 rand. We teach you on how to use the indicator and what time to trade with the indicator every day so that you get to be consistent when you're trading. So guys, this is one of the best indicators. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you follow us on Facebook. We will send more videos on which indicators we have on board. And again, guys, what you have to be careful of, we're still sending free mobile strategies. We're still sending those, but this week, from yesterday, today, Saturday, Sunday, and the whole of next week, we will be sending videos about PC systems. So these are one of the best systems that give you interest. As you can see, when it's safe, verified, resistant, which means on this resistant you can sell. So these are indicators that analyzes the market for you. You just have to follow them the way they show you things, and following the time that we will be telling you to start look at entries on those systems. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's see another one. As you can see, this is the first one, guys. When it says untested support, which means the support is not strong, it's still weak. So if it says verified resistant, you know that the resistance is powerful, the market will sell. So this is one of the best systems that you can engage in and try to make money in the market. So guys, to inbox me on this, guys, make sure that you inbox me on the number on my description. If you see this on YouTube, just go to the description, there's my number there. Inbox me on that number so that you get help with the strategy. So but if you're gonna inbox me on Facebook, on my I'll put the number in the title, or on my profile there's a number. Just inbox me. The system is only 100 rand. The system is only 100 rand. With that 100 rand is for me, for having the system for you, and for me to teach you on how to use the system successfully. So make sure that if you're that person, you have a PC, you want to start using PC systems. The amazing part about PC system is that they are modified. They are created by good traders, and they are highly modified and advanced. They show you things the way they are, and they put you in a more confident way to trade successfully in the market. So using the system right, it's a win situation. You just have to know on how to use it right. Then you start making money and being consistent in the market. So that's what we're doing. We confirm our entries maybe on 5 systems according to the knowledge that we know on how to trade. So if those 5 systems give us a same confirmation, this is a perfect trade. It's a trade that is undefeated. Then we enter that trade, and we most of the time make profit. So here we have a session. This system separates the sessions for you, so that if you are that person, you're trading London session, New York session, you just have to have this system, so that it shows you on when the session happened. So let's go to another one. It's still the one for sessions. So as you can see, this one is also one of the best, guys. When you see the buy, the pivot, the buy, when the market retest, there is a buy. Then BT1 is take profit 1 and take profit 2. Then you just follow this amazing system, selling and buying, following this amazing system. So guys, This is one of the best. This is what you must have. So this one is one of the best, guys. It gives you the entry, it gives you your sell stop, and it gives you take profit. So you have to do nothing. You just have to enter in the market in the right time and follow the system and make money. So we also have this one. This is a technology one, guys. Very detective. It analyzes the market future for you. So it tells you what will happen in the market. So it tells you the future of what must happen and what will happen. So this is one of the best flexible indicator that you can try to get and make money in the market. As you can see, guys. Uh, as you can see, guys. So we also have this one. It analyzes the trend for you. It gives you the trend of the market, whether the trend is a buy or the trend is a sell, so that you don't always trade against the trend. So this is one of the best systems that you must have. Remember, you can just plug this system on a certain broker. Let's say you have Exness broker or maybe IFX broker. You know that the IFX broker is a system broker. That's where you set maybe around 5 systems that you love. Then you know that when you trade on the Exness broker, that's when you analyze and see whether the market will move accordingly, clear charts. Then that broker, you see, it's where you get in and check what that indicator saying about a certain direction. So this is how I can advise you to use indicators so that you don't fail. Still the same. So guys, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 indicators for the day, guys. If you are interested in these indicators, inbox is only 100 rand. I teach you on how to use them. Danko.